It's Christy Hopkins, Partner Account Manager at PAI. Thanks for joining our Sip and Sales video today. During the short video series, we will be sharing a tasty cocktail recipe with you that you can enjoy with family and friends, while also providing you with a quick sales tip to help close more sales. So let's get started. Now that we're sipping, let's talk about taking prospecting and networking to the next level. While the concept of this may seem easy, most sales reps struggle and aren't sure where to begin. Networking can be incredibly lucrative for your sales if you can find the right group to join. My hot tip would be to look out for your local chamber events or join local business groups in your area. If you can't find a networking group, gather some colleagues and start one today. It doesn't have to be complicated, and it might be as simple as having a group of 8 to 10 B2B companies that meet up at a local restaurant, a coffee shop, or even for happy hour every other week. Hold each other accountable for making introductions and passing leads back and forth. Encourage the members of the networking group to bring 1 to 2 new contacts to each meeting and focus on a two-way interaction to build solid and trusting relationships. Many opportunities that come your way are simply by word-of-mouth referrals. Now, I want to share with you a real-life success story we've had at PAI of just how lucrative this can be. We have a great relationship with a CPA that is generating on average 30 to 40 retirement opportunities per year. And we started working with him in 2017 after earning his trust. He told us he was well connected to a couple of networking groups in his area. He met a local payroll rep at one of his networking groups, and they sat down to talk about his accounting clients. Together, they have made a game plan to mine his current book of business and to start prospecting a combined service. They learned there was a lot of low-hanging fruit to go after, and now the CPA is able to bring up the integrated payroll and retirement solution with all of his clients. Anytime you can save the client time and money, they're generally open to hearing what you have to say. So imagine having 30 to 40 payroll and retirement opportunities by making just one successful connection at a networking group. Now, this is a winning story for everyone. So think of what your payroll and retirement sales could be if you found 2 to 3 CPA partners that you can network with. Don't shy away from prospecting and networking because you don't know how to do it. Get out there and make it happen. If you're interested in receiving a copy of the cocktail recipe from today's Sip and Sales video, reach out to your PAI sales rep and they'll be happy to provide that to you. Until next time, cheers to retirement readiness.